Did you know Anguilla now earns millions from internet addresses that end in .ai? Originally assigned as the island's web code in 1995, AI now means artificial intelligence. When ChatGPT launched in 2022, tech giants scrambled for .ai domains, and Anguilla cashed in. Each registration can bring in $140 or more. In 2023 alone, it earned $32 million. That's over 20% of the government's income, used for healthcare, schools, even airport upgrades. Before this windfall, Anguilla's economy was devastated by Hurricane Irma and COVID lockdowns. The island now plans to build tech infrastructure and host AI startups in a new economic zone. Still, locals are split. Some want privacy and peace, others want growth and opportunity. Poll: should Caribbean nations embrace tech money, even if it changes the island lifestyle? Like, follow, share, if you believe the future of tech should also benefit the islands that host it.